The MetaTrader 5 mobile app has been upgraded, and now you can place an instant order with your stop loss and your take profit. That was not done initially. So initially you just place your instant order, then you can now adjust your trade. But right now you can place your trade instantly and still put your stop loss and your take profit. So let's see how it goes. So previously with MetaTrader 5 mobile app, when you come to this button here, this instant execution button here, and you click on it, what you see is either buy or sell. There's no place to set a stop loss or a take profit, so you either buy or sell and then adjust later. But that has changed. So what has happened is that if you want to place an instant order with stop loss and take profit or put before hitting that button buy, what you need to do is that you come to this pending order button. So when you click on it, you look down here and you will see the currency pair that you want to trade. This is Bitcoin in this case. You see that quote, and then you will see instant execution. You see buy limit, sell limits, buy stop, and if you move your cursor, you see other market order types. So what we're interested in right now is market execution. We are not interested in buy limits. If you're using buy limits, you can see that it has already given us the buy limit line here to move it, but we are interested in market execution. We want to place our stop loss and take profit all at the same time, instead of just using this one that we used to have without stop loss and take profit. So I will click on market execution. So right now I have market execution selected. Okay, so market execution has been selected, and you can see over here stop loss and take profit. So I can click on stop loss. If I am selling at this point, all right, if I'm selling at this point there, that means that my stop loss will be above, and my take profit, if I click on take profit, so let's say I want to take profit right here, for instance. Once I place it that way, I'll come to this arrow and I'll click on this arrow. So when I click on the arrow, I can select the volume I want to trade. So let's say I want to trade 0.1. So now I want to sell. So if I click on sell, because I'm doing market execution, so when I click on sell, you can see that the market has been executed, and I have a sell order right here with my stop loss over here and my take profit right here. They were all placed instantly. Not after I have placed the trade, then I'll start adjusting. So everything was done instantly. So you can now place your market order instant execution with your stop loss and your take profit, so that you can predetermine your risk, the risk you're taking before taking any trade. So when you click on that trade now, you see this is the risk I'm taking, and this is the profit that I'm targeting. So that is it. So if I want to close the order, let's say I want to close the order right now, I can just close the order right here. So that order has been closed, and if you check your history, you see the order, everything had stop loss was set, take profit was set, everything was done. That is how you can place an instant execution with your stop loss and your take profit all set before placing your trade. This was not available before on MetaTrader 5 mobile app, but this is a new feature you need to take advantage of and protect your account when you trade. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next videos.